Good morning, all of you. Let's see some more question based on Heron's formula as we are going through this chapter. So, I have taken a question from NCERT book exercise 12.2, the question number 4. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of a triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. The parallelogram stand on the base 28 centimeter. We have to find the area of we have to find the height of parallelogram. So it's given in the question, the area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram, and then we have to find the height of parallelogram. So first thing, I'm going to find the area of this triangle. So we'll go in this step. First we will find the area of triangle, then we will go with the area of parallelogram, and then we will find the height of the parallelogram. Sorry. So we have a triangle in which the sides are given, and the sides is 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Since sides are given, so I have to use Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. I am going to find the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2, that is 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2, and we'll get here 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now moving on to the area of triangle, I am going to name it as A, B and C. So the area of triangle is equal to under root 42 minus A is 26, then 42 minus 28, and then 42 minus 30. So this can be written as 42 into 16 into 14 into 12. Now I'm going to find the factor of all these. 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. 16 itself a perfect square, so I can write here 4 square, or we can write here 2 to the power 4 also. 14 can be written as 7 into 2, and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now I'm going to make a pair, that is, now we don't have to write the sign of square root. Let's make a pair, 2 here and 2 here. So they make a pair, 3 here, 3 here, make a pair, 7, 7, another pair, 4 are 2. So I will 4 pair and 2 and 2. So another pair. So we'll get here the area is 336 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. Now in the question it's given ki the parallelogram stand on the base of 28 centimeter, means we have a parallelogram here. We have a parallelogram here, and we have to find the height of this parallelogram. So and it's also given that area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. So I will write here area of parallelogram is equals to area of triangle ABC. Now the formula for the area of parallelogram is base into height, and the area of triangle ABC is 336. It says that height stand on the base 28 centimeter. So our base is 28, height we don't know, and the area is 336. So let's find the height. Height will be 336 by 28, that is we will get here 12 centimeter. Therefore the height of parallelogram is 12 centimeter. Moving on to the next question, that is I have given you assignment, and this question is from that assignment. The length of a parallel sides of a trapezium are 56 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Length of other two sides means the non-parallel sides, are 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter, and we have to find the area of trapezium. So let's make a trapezium, and it's given in the question that its parallel sides are 56 centimeter and 40 centimeter, and it's given the non-parallel sides are 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So I am going to do a construction, and the construction will be, I am going to make a line. Let us name this triangle for this trapezium first. Let it be A, B, C and D. I am going to make a parallel line with BC, so that we will get a parallelogram here. So this will be our parallelogram. Now let's first do this one. We had done this type of question in class 8 also, but the difference is in class 8 the non-parallel sides are equal in length. Right now we have different length of non-parallel side. So first of all, what I had done in construction is AE parallel to BC is drawn. So coming on to the solution, since this is a trapezium, since ABCD is trapezium, this implies कि AB is parallel to CD. This means कि AB is parallel to EC. Also, AE is parallel to BC. This is our construction. So we can say कि AB is parallel to EC and AE is parallel to BC, means ABCE is a parallelogram. And if this is parallelogram, that means EC must be of 14 centimeter and this must be of 16 centimeter. This means AB is equals to CE is equals to 40 centimeter. AE is equals to BC is equals to 30 centimeter, and DE is equals to 56 minus 40, that is 16 centimeter. So we get a triangle here ADE in which the sides are 28 centimeter, this is 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter. Since the length of all the three sides are given, so we will use the Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. So in triangle ADE, A is equals to, let's suppose A is equals to 28 centimeter, B is equals to 16 centimeter and C is equals to 30 centimeter. Now let's find S. S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 28 plus 16 plus 30 by 2, and we will get here 74 by 2. That means we get here 37 centimeter. Now area of triangle ADE will be equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This will be under root 37, 37 minus 28, 37 minus 16 and 37 minus 30. So I can write here 37 into 9 into, this will be 21 into 7. So taking out the common, so 9 will get 3 common, From 21 we will get 7 common, and what is left? 37 into 3. This will be equal to 21 root 111. This can be written as 21 into, I'm going to find the root over 111 by long division method, and we will get here 10.53 centimeters square. So let's multiply it. So we'll get here 221.2 centimeters square. Now, since area of triangle ABC, we have one more method to find the area of triangle ADE. We have one more method to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So this will be, area is 221.2, half into, our base is 16 and height we don't know. So this is 8. 221.2 by 8 is equals to h. Now I'm going to divide it and we'll get here 27.65 centimeter is equals to height. And the third step is we have to find the area of trapezium. So I'm going to use the formula, direct formula for it, that is half into sum of parallel sides, that is a plus b into h. That means half into 56 plus 40 into 27.65. That is, we will get here half into 96 into 27.65. So we'll get here 1327 centimeter square approx. Moving on to one more question of the same assignment, that is from an internal point of an equilateral triangle the length of perpendicular drawn on three sides are respectively 14 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter in length. We have to find the area of triangle. This is question number 30 of the same assignment which I have given you on Saturday. So the question is, we have an equilateral triangle and a point is there. Anywhere we have a point, and from there the perpendicular distance on the three sides are given 14 centimeter. Let's suppose this is 14 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, and let it be 10 centimeters. Given the perpendicular from that point, that is not the center one, that is a point interior of a equilateral triangle, and the distance between that point, perpendicular distance from that point to the side, is 14 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Let us name it as A, B and C. So I'm going to do in equilateral triangle we can find the area by two methods, half into base into height, and we have the formula for finding the area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into side square. So I'm going to use both the method to solve that question. I'm going to do a construction, that is I'm going to make a triangle with it. So we have a triangle AOC, we have a triangle AOB, and we have a triangle ABOC. So let's see, we have one triangle, this one, we have a triangle AOC, we have a triangle BOC, and for these three triangles I am going to use the formula half into base into height, and another triangle is AOC. So we have three triangles in this question. I'm going to write here, since this is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal, let it be A, and A. So I can write here, area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle AOC plus triangle AOB plus triangle BOC. Now, area of triangle ABC, I am going to use the formula root 3 by 4 into side square, that is a square, and for the rest 3 I am going to use the formula half into base into height. So in triangle AOC, the base will be AC and height is 6. For triangle AOB, the base is AB and height is 10. For triangle BOC, base is BC and height is 14. So this is root 3 by 4 into a square is equals to half into AC we don't know and we have taken it as A, plus half into A into 10 plus half into A into 14. Now I'm going to cancel. This is 3, 5 and 7. So we'll get here root 3 by 4 a square is equals to 3a plus 5a plus 7a. So this is root 3 by 4 a square is equals to 15a. Now I am going to leave 15 here and I am going to transpose a to this side. So we'll get here a square by a is equals to 15 into 4 by root 3. This is a is equals to 15 into 4 by root 3. But we have to find the area of the triangle. So area of a triangle will be area of triangle ABC. I am going to use the direct formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square. This can be written as root 3 by 4. A is our 15 into 4 by root 3, but since it is a square, so I have to write it once again 15 into 4 by root 3. Now let's cancel it. So we are getting here 15 into 15 into 4 by root 3. But I am going to rationalize it. So I will multiply it by root 3. So we'll get here 15 into 15 into 4 by root 3 into root 3 is 3 into root 3. So this is 5 and we'll get here 300 root 3 centimeter square. So thank you.